Turkey, spending the week with our friends Alpar and Charlotte, the whole reason we came to Turkey in the first place. This would be their wedding weekend, but due to Corona, things had to get postponed, so we're making the best of it, and we are enjoying our time here with our friends and exploring the beautiful coastal town of Alanya.
We'll show you guys around, and hopefully all of us will have a good time.
Hi, I'm Alpar from Turkey.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and welcome to Antalya.
So guys, the ship is moving. The ship is moving. We got our captain Barbosa over here.
Yay! So excited to be
Charlotte
here.
and Megan.
To Alanya Castle, and where our boat is docked right now, it used to be a shipyard. So 400 years ago they were building the ships right here. And up there is the castle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Jumping, 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 jumping.
Captain Barbosa.
Hello everybody, we love you. We wait for everybody here. We love our guests.
Alright guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna jump there, not too high, but hopefully we'll be fine and the camera will survive. Alright, jump in. The water is so clear. I can see everything.
This is a 300-year-old Turkish bath.
Guys, I recommend we don't take kebab. Kebab you can find everywhere. These are homemade. We choose from the homemade.
Okay.
This is my recommendation.
So this is broccoli and cheese, eggplant, meatballs, and spinach and cheese. That's what we're eating.
Cactus fruit. It is Nicole, you wanna try?
Yeah, we'll try.
It is on top of the cactus. Very delicious, very sweet. A lot of seeds in it.
Too many seeds.
No,
Tastes okay.
I didn't know. I never knew a cactus would have such a delicious fruit.
Is it dead?
No.
Alpar the cat whisperer. Can you smell through that mask?
If you will catch in the ice cream is present for you and for your friends. But if you will not catch, you must pay me money.
I don't know if I like this.
Believe yourself and do. Believe. Welcome to Antalya. Welcome to paradise.
10 lira.
I think you can do it. You're from?
America.
Welcome to... Are you ready? What did you say your people's? Ice cream, you scream, we all scream, everybody for ice cream. Okay. Take it please. Thank you very much, lady. What's your name? What's your name? Welcome. It's for you, lady. Okay. Try. Thank you very much. Now for you. Okay, please come. Okay. Okay. Thank you. It's for you. Okay. Thank you very much. This one is for me. It's for you. Evet. Okay. Please come. Not afraid. Just you will take your ice cream. It's enough for you. Okay. 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 Which one do you want? You want chocolate, pistache, and lemon? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now I give you ice cream. Take please. It's for you. It's for me. This is for you. This for me. Take it please. I can take it. It's for you. Okay. Another one. Take it. Da! Yes. Where is your small baby? Okay, yeah.
That was good. Good luck trying to catch it. So what is this called again, bro?
Semaver.
Semaver.
You put the water in here.
Oh. No.
Let's go to the top.
But then you only pour.
Relax for 5 minutes. So the tea flavor goes inside it and it gets up to steams, you know?
Now I get it.
Noodles outside, cheese inside, and at the top you just put ice cream. Just cook it.
This is ice cream.
Yes.
Do you think I'll like it with ice cream?
Oh, you will enjoy it.
Go with it a little bit.
It's a little hot.
Sweet.
Good but weird.
Noodles, cheese, and ice cream.
Nice.
We're going to explore a cave that's right here on the beach. Hopefully it's a little cooler in the cave than it is out here.
Let's go, guys, to the cave of Alanya. Oh wow. It's crazy, yeah? This without any issues. You look like a caveman, bro.
Hi guys, we are in Damlatas Cave right now in Alanya. Outside 39 degrees today Celsius, but here it's around 22 degrees Celsius. It's really nice here. It was found in 1948, but it was believed to be formed between 10,000 and 15,000 BC.
Yes, we're kind of forming some strategies here, planning, meeting stuff. We're heading to Alanya Castle. I think you can walk there, but they have this really nice setup of cable cars. So we're gonna get on a cable car and it's gonna take us up to the castle and hopefully we'll catch a nice sunset from the highest point in Alanya.
So we got tickets for the cable car taking us up to the Alanya Castle. So the prices are 33 liras as of 2020.
After 2 minutes.
Let's go to the top of the castle, guys.
Really nice. There's a whole little town all around. A lot of shopkeepers selling things, but it's really hot. I can't imagine having done this in the peak of the day. We waited till the evening when it cooled down a bit to take this journey. Alpar, the lover of flowers. Watched the sunset and took a little hike up to the castle of Alanya. This castle was a medieval castle built in 1226. It's mostly ruins that are left, but you can still see where the towers and the castle and everything, and it's quite cool. And I'm getting eaten alive by bugs.
The bugs are vicious, guys.
This is our favorite market right by our hotel. We come here every day. It's called A to Z Market and they sell everything from A to Z. And literally anything you could possibly need is sold here. Didi just walked into the wrong hotel, number one. Number two, when he was walking into the hotel, he dropped his beer.
The plastic just ripped.
Wow, so not only does A to Z Market sell everything in our favorite store before this happened, we just went back to go buy another one, and the guy gave us one free.
Yeah, a good ending to a bad, about to be a bad night, guys.
Yeah, you could see Didi's face changing and him getting so disappointed. So I'm glad the nice man who runs A to Z Market saved our night. Thank you. One last breakfast together. Time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you guys again. All right, safe travels.
Bye-bye.
All right, so we just dropped off our friends at the taxi. They're heading to the airport now. It was an awesome 5 days with them, and it was really great having a local to travel around with to translate everything, to help us pick out which foods are good, which foods are bad. We ate the best this last week than we have the whole month we've been here. So yeah, it was just a really great trip. Thank you, Alpar and Charlotte, for coming and making it possible.
Yeah, thank you guys.
We'll be spending the next week catching up on some much needed sleep, work, and video editing. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.